Hey my loves, so we are out and about today. It's like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Sophia is staying with my mom today, so we got a little mom and dad night going on. But you know, there's no typical mom and dad night without going to the stores. So we are going to Pottery Barn because I've been dying to go to Pottery Barn. You guys know I've been looking for stuff for my bedroom and mainly my living room. You guys, if I could find some good stuff in Pottery Barn today, it's coming home. It's coming home. If not, I'm gonna make this man get on Wayfair tonight and order my stuff. I ain't playing. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm really dying to see what Pottery Barn has as far as their what you call it, like fall decor and stuff like that. So we shall see. And then, you know, we're gonna do a little date night. I've been, you know, Cheesecake Factory is our spot. Don't tell Sophia we going without her because she gonna be mad. But Cheesecake Factory, you guys, the only thing I get from Cheesecake Factory is like I get appetizers. I always get like the mac and cheese balls, or I get the avocado egg rolls. And I like the new shrimp that they got, the new Cajun shrimp. I love that. And I get the pot stickers, but I've been eating a lot of pot stickers lately, so I don't want to do that today. But that's what I get all the time. And if I'm feeling like I want to eat something serious, then I'll get like the Louisiana chicken pasta. That's my jam. That's my jam. So, what y'all get from Cheesecake? Let me know, because maybe I need something new to try. Let me know below some new things to try from Cheesecake Factory, because I'm really scared to try new foods, especially going to a restaurant, because my worst fear is getting something that I don't want at a restaurant. It would ruin my whole experience going. So yeah, that's what we're about to do tonight. I'm super excited. We might stop in Williams Sonoma as well if we have the time. I want to get some new seasonings. You guys, if you have not gone to Williams Sonoma and got some of their seasonings, I don't know what y'all doing. They have such great seasoning blends. We use it on a lot of stuff. So when we get in there, I'll show you guys some of my favorite things that I love. I don't know what we're gonna do first, if we're gonna go eat first and then go to the stores, or vice versa. So we'll see. But I'll see y'all when we get out there. Alright, so we made it into Pottery Barn, you guys. It's pretty. I still don't know what I'm looking for though. Oh, I seen this pumpkin online. I was about to get this pumpkin. I'm kind of glad I didn't. Oh, these are pretty. Super pretty. Let me see mine. Oh, I wanted to buy this pot. I was legit about to buy this pot. I think I still might. So like that. The blues are pretty. Like this one. I don't know, nothing's not really catching my eye. Good. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Babe, this is the shape of the pumpkin, like the.
Oh. You don't think you like it now you see it already?
Huh?
You don't think you like it now you see it already?
I see it. I like it, but I don't know if I need it.
Got a little foot.
Yeah, I don't know if I need it. I love these lanterns, you guys. And this is pretty. This is so pretty. No, baby, they see lights. You put the batteries in them, and they flicker. See? You so silly.
No, I mean, the stuff looks like real wax.
It's the same fragrance. Wash cotton. Not really. seasonings I was talking about. This one is one of my favorites. And they got a bunch of new ones here I haven't seen before, so I might get a few. What you looking for, Jay? The what cups? Copper. This is it right here, baby. I think like $50. This is what I want though. We made it out of Williams Sonoma and Pottery Barn. I didn't find anything in Pottery Barn, which I was surprised about. It just really wasn't fitting my style, I think, this time. So yeah, that didn't go so good. But it was pretty in there, but not really nothing that I wanted as of like right now. I might go back for those lanterns. They have some pretty gold lanterns. I think I showed them to y'all. And then went to Williams Sonoma and picked up a few things. So I'll show you guys that when I get back home. So we're just at cheesecake right now, if I didn't mention that. Y'all, I'm about to get all my little bites, all my appetizers. I'm about to eat it all. So I'm so hungry. So hungry. Back from our outing today. I am so tired. I'm about to go upstairs, taking me a nice hot bath and relax. It's like 9:24, but I need this bath. So I'm gonna show y'all really quick what I got from Williams Sonoma. Y'all know I love Williams Sonoma. It's my favorite place. So starting off with number one, this is a signature ball whisk, and this is by the Williams Sonoma brand. This was $34.95, and you guys, like, whisking is gonna be so much more easy getting everything. Think about like when you make a pancake mix and it's like just add water and you whisking it and you're still not getting everything at the bottom. The balls, like, it's gonna pick it up, y'all. I'm so excited for this. I'm so happy about this. Then I'm gonna make some braised short ribs sometime soon. I have the short ribs. We went to Whole Foods and got them, but this is the pasta I'm gonna use because I want it to be a braised short rib pasta. So I got this from Williams Sonoma, and it's a Tubitoni Rigati bronze cut pasta. So we will see. Then I don't know why, I think I was just hungry, y'all. Now that I think about it, I should have got me some seasonings, but I got secret sauce for your burgers. So yeah, I'm excited to try this though. Never know. Williams Sonoma be having some good stuff, especially when it comes to like food and things. Stuff is good. And last but not least, you guys, I've been wanting this for a minute. This is another apron. Y'all know I love Williams Sonoma's aprons, but this is in the burgundy color that they got for fall. It looks more red on camera, but it's a deep burgundy. It is so beautiful. I'm so obsessed. I'm gonna put this on when I make my braised short rib. Like, yes, I'm hyped now. Yep, y'all be chefing it up in the kitchen, y'all. I'm be chefing it up. All right, you guys. So yeah, I'm about to go take me a bath, relax, put on baddies or something, and chill out because I'm tired. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Because I let this while I was taking a shower, so I'm thinking because the water wouldn't go down. So I call her, and then I'm like, so just gotta. The burger is just about done. And remember the secret sauce that I got yesterday from Williams Sonoma? I'm about to put that on there today. Why he told me I could have got more seasonings yesterday?
And it's like, get off my back.
Was he giving that vibe yesterday when we was in there?
He
don't know if I showed y'all. Was he giving the vibe that I could get more seasonings yesterday? Cause I would have got my grease seasoning.
I said grab it.
I would have got the burger seasoning. I would have got the steak seasoning. I would have did it all.
I said grab it.
Next time I go in there, I'm buying it up. He's getting it together now. He's about to put it all together.
Why even leave your house to attend a casting call?
Oh, well, because
Huh?
I did take.
So should we just do one patty apiece? What do you think? Okay. Gonna assemble the bogies. Bacon burgies. Put some lettuce. Oh, I forgot the mayo. Well, this one will be. Shit. Boop. Let me not drop it. Look at this. This is like a. It's like a Krabby Patty. It looks just like a Krabby Patty.